Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn about introduction of polynomial part third. Here we will learn some important points of polynomials. Pointage, geometrical, meaning of zeros of a polynomial. In fact, for any quadratic polynomial, ax square bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, the graph of the corresponding equation y is equal to x square plus bx plus c has one of the two shapes, either open upward like u or downward like u, depending on whether a is greater than 0 or a is less than 0. These are called the parabolas. Here we are writing, in fact, for any quadratic polynomial, quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, the graph of the corresponding equation y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c has one of the one of the two shapes two shapes, upwards or downward like u, either open upward like u, this open like this, or downward downward like this, depending on whether a is greater than 0 or a is less than 0. These shapes are called parabola, or this curve 1 2, these curves are known as the parabola. Here remarks. Remarks. In general, given a polynomial px of degree n, of degree n, the graph of the y is equal to px intersects the x axis at most n points, therefore a polynomial px of degree n has at the most n zeros. Here we are reading that in general, given a polynomial px, if we have polynomial px of degree n, a polynomial which have degree n, the graph of the y is equal to px. The graph of y is equal to px intersects the x-axis at most n points. Therefore, a polynomial px of degree n has, suppose we have a polynomial which have n degree, so at the most n0, the polynomial has at most n zeros. They intersect x-axis n times in different points. Here px of degree n has at most n0. Here we have example. The graph cuts x-axis at distinct points A and A dash. The x coordinate of A and A dash are two zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. In this case, we have figure here. This is the quadratic polynomial graph. Here intersecting two points. First point here A and second point here A dash. This graph is intersecting on x-axis in different points two times, first and second. So this is the example of quadratic polynomials which have two zeros. This is also here A dash and A, in intersecting points on the x-axis. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Another example in this here a point, a single point where graph is intersecting in this point. Here written also, the graph cuts the x-axis at exactly one point, that is the two coincident points. So the 2 points A and A dash of case first coincide here to because one point A. This is non-zero